Hi,
Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was actually thinking about something interesting today.
Really? What is it?
The importance of time.
That's a great topic. Time is one of the most valuable things we have.
Absolutely. Unlike money, once time is gone, we can never get it back.
Exactly. Everyone gets the same 24 hours each day.
Yet some people achieve amazing things while others waste their time.
That's because successful people understand the value of time.
I agree. Time management plays a huge role in success.
Have you ever felt like you wasted an entire day?
Many times, honestly.
Same here.
Sometimes I spend hours scrolling through social media without realizing it.
That's a common problem nowadays.
Technology can save time, but it can also waste time.
Very true.
I think most people underestimate how quickly time passes.
Especially when we're young.
Exactly. People often think they have unlimited time.
But years pass surprisingly fast.
I still remember things from school like they happened yesterday.
Same. Time seems to move faster as we get older.
Why do you think that happens?
Maybe because we become busier and more focused on responsibilities.
That makes sense.
Time is actually the foundation of every goal.
How so?
Every skill requires time to learn.
That's true.
Whether it's learning English, starting a business, or getting fit, everything takes time.
Success is really the result of how we use our time.
Exactly.
Do you think time is more valuable than money?
Definitely.
Really?
Yes. You can earn more money, but you can't earn more time.
That's a powerful point.
Many wealthy people would gladly spend money to have more time.
I never thought about it that way.
Time is the one thing every human being has in limited supply,
Which makes it priceless.
exactly.
I think procrastination